Okay, just a quick little update video that we do every time a new version of Kali Linux comes out. And a few days ago, on the 9th August 2022, we got a 2022.3 release of Kali Linux operating system. Now for this particular release, there are not many new things, so everything is pretty much the same. There are no changes at all compared to the previous version, except some minor changes that we can read about under this blog on the official Kali Linux page. So you can navigate to this 2022.3 release under the blog, and you can read about all the new things that they did inside this version. So they made a few changes for Kali for virtual machines. They added some new tools, so feel free to check out these tools if you want. And that would pretty much be about it. There are some other minor changes such as Kali ARM updates and Kali NetHunter updates, but nothing important for the course. So feel free, as I always advise, to install the newest version that you see on the official page. But just in case, if you want to install an older version or the version that we use in the course, you can go to the all.kali.org, and under the Kali images, you will see all the previous releases of Kali Linux, and you can feel free to download whichever one that you want. If we also take a look at the Kali Linux 2022.3 inside VirtualBox, there are not many changes compared to the previous version. Matter of fact, I don't see any change. The wallpaper looks the same. Everything visual looks the same. So we can say it's rather similar to the previous release. Nonetheless, let's not waste any more time. Once again, if you want to read about the new release, go to this article. And if you don't want to, that's okay. You can feel free to proceed to the next lecture. See you there.